Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to explore a software called OtterNote. OtterNote is simply an AI meeting assistant that records audio, writes notes, and captures slides. This tool is very useful for people who wants to keep track of everything that is being talked about at a meeting, and I recommend this to students, business professionals, and personal assistants. As always, my name is Nasif and I make tutorial videos to increase your productivity at work. If you are interested in this video, kindly smash the subscription button and click the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, do well to like and comment. Now, join me on my screen. Let's explore. To start exploring Otter, we register and log in with our account, which I already did. You'll be introduced to this screen, and on this screen what we do first is to do our settings. So with the settings, I'll come to my profile and then I'll select settings. So with the settings, you'd have to set the vocabularies that you'll be using, the names that you would be mentioning in your meetings and everything, just like some keywords. So already I've entered my name, that is Nasif, so that whenever it's recording and then writing, it would write it very well. I'll also be using KPI. The KPIs, it will be writing it well as well. And then I'll also be using gray. Yes. And I'll also be using crypto. Yes. Add your customized vocabularies to boost transcription accuracy for name, jargon, and then abbreviations. So that is what I just did. That's all. And then we move back to our settings again, and then you can do more settings here. Yes, there are a lot of settings that you can do within the app. So you can connect it to our Zoom. You can also connect it to the Dropbox, the Google Calendar. So I've already added it to my Google Calendar, and then you can also add it to your Microsoft Calendar. So that is it. The notifications, you can set the notification to receive the notification into your emails when the processing is done. And then about the security, we have the two-way authentication. After that, the home. So now with the home, we press our record. If you have any videos or audios that you also have on your phone, you can input it here so that it transcribes for you. But since you don't have, I'll just do the recording here. I'll press the recording and then let me start speaking. Hello everyone. So my name is Nasif. What I'll be doing is to use KPIs to measure whatever I want to know. Crypto is one of the best investment that I ever did, and Gray is the one who helped me through. Okay, so now let me end it. Yes. Okay, so what it has done is it is now processing it for me. So you could see that whenever I mention like a pause or something like that, it takes it out because it makes no meaning to it. And I think this is a perfect way of transcribing. So our next thing to do is to see if it is done processing. So it says that note is processing, so it's still processing. Let's keep on moving whilst this gets done. If you have a meeting and you want Otter to transcribe your meeting, whatever happened in your meeting, you could put the link here, and then Otter will join and then be working on it for you. Also, if you have any audio or video, you can put it here and then it will transcribe for you. We have this session called the date. So what it does is that when you connect it to your Google Calendar or Microsoft Calendar, you would be able to track whatever meeting you have here. So it tracks it for you. So let's say on Sunday. Yeah, so on Sunday, my group, we have a discussion, that is AgriConnect. We have a discussion to make, and it comprises of, actually it's not our 3 person, but it was shared to 3 people. So that is why it's saying 3. So it has giving more details about the meeting, which is 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, now Uta has transcribed everything for us. The audio is now ready, and the transcription is also ready. So to enter into the transcription, we have to click the note is ready. So let's enter into it. Yes, this is whatever Uta have done for us. So it says note, that is probably, if you want to change it, you can change it here. It gives us the date that it records, the owner, and then it summarizes the keywords that I mentioned and the person who spoke. So Uta is able to identify whoever speaks. So it has an AI system in it that is able to identify whoever is speaking, and then it names the person with speaker 1, speaker 2, speaker 3, speaker 4. This is speaker 1 because it's only me, and this is what it has done for me. So one amazing thing about Uta is that it tries to bring out all the keywords. So if you can click here to say highlight, so it will highlight on for here the highlights, it says speaker 1, that is, it highlights the important words that we selected here. So this is what already note selected, and then this is what I also selected. So when we move here, if you don't share your notes, no one is able to comment. So probably that is the reason why you are not seeing anything here. We have the action items. So we have no action items because one thing is that it also is able to identify some action items. If you are in a meeting and then you say this person is supposed to do this, this person is supposed to do that, this person is supposed to do that, is able to track it, and then is able to tell you that, oh, Nasif is supposed to do this, Nas is supposed to do this, and a whole lot. So that is where the key action item. And then we have the summary. So probably this is a very short transcription, that is why there is nothing to summarize. So that is it. So this will stay inside your account till you want to delete it. So that's probably it. Let me rename it to text solution video. So that is it. So you can share your meeting or your transcription with other people. Okay, so let me just select someone, and then okay, so I'm using my other account. So you can make someone a viewer, and then you can make someone a collaborator. So you just unrestrict and then have access to it. Everyone who have the links, you have access to it, and then that's all. So I've now shared it successfully, and you can also choose to export whatever you have here to the text format, and you can also choose to export the MP3 to your desktop or anywhere, to your desktop or to your computer. You can choose to export whatever you have done inside Otter to your computer by coming here, the file format, and then selecting the format that you want. And then you can also come here to select either it's MP3 or anything else, and then you can export now. So it exports, and then we are done. So this is an easy way of transcribing, and I recommend this for anyone who does a lot of meetings and then lose touch of whatever it has been said during the meeting. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in our next one.